So hi guys, here is a few of my Christmas decor. A little bit boring and minimalistic, but yeah, let's get to it. So this is the fresh decor I have by the dining table, and I'll put some light and some real lights, candle lights in there, but I also have some fake there that can be burning all day and not be worried about burning the whole house down. And this is real fresh. I have to spray it most of the time to keep it fresh. Yes, and I got these bowls, glass bowls last year. I really love them. Very simple. You just have to turn them on and you're ready for your decor. I also have them here. I put them here in the bathroom, in the main bathroom, in the window, and I think they sit very nicely here with my plants. And yes guys, I have not done a lot of decor. It's very minimalistic because I've been lazy, so it's just lazy girls decor. And I got this from a friend. It's called a niece in Danish, and I just put her or him in the corner there. And beside our bedside table, I just put these angels, and Jan has also an angel like that. Yes, it's very simple decor this year. I use a lot of these bowls and glasses, so I put these Christmas bowls in this jar. I don't have so much red, very little red. Normally I used to have a lot of red, but I don't do that anymore. And I have this big vase thing. I bought this dried decor, and I mixed them with some fresh how you call that, this is like a Christmas tree stem. I cut that off from the tree we have put outside, and I mixed it together. And yeah, and I put some lights down in the vase, and it looks really beautiful in the night time. I can't show that because it's the daytime, but it looks so beautiful. Very simple. And I have these stars. They are up in the door to the terrace. Very simple. I just open them up. When you're keeping them, you fold them, and when you're going to hang them up, you pull them apart, and that's how they look like. I could put more things up on that rail, but I want it very simple. Yeah, and these two beautiful stuffed animals, oh, I really love them. They look so pretty. I wish I could have bought more. I got these on sale. Most of the time I buy my Christmas decor on sale. I don't want to pay full price. Yeah, so around this time they put a lot of the Christmas decors on sale, and I got these stuffed animals. And I love this jar. Like you see, it's the place where I have some colors is in the kitchen, by the counter table. And these lights, I just turn on these lights, and I put some moss in the bottom so the balls don't break, and I stuffed the balls on top. And this green thing is the Christmas tree stem is fresh. I put a glass in there, and I put water so it can stay fresh. Otherwise they dry out so quickly because of the heat. So I really love that one. Brought beautiful color in the house. And another jar here, I don't know what you call this in English, but you know the ones that they grow on Christmas trees, I guess. I sprayed these ones with silver whitish color, and I put them in this glass jar, and I put some lights on. I would like to hide that battery thing so you don't see it, so I will have to push that so it's not seen visual. Yes, I think very simple. I've been lazy, and this is very simple. No fuss, no nothing, easy to go. Yes. And I found this tree. This is a real tree, a real plant tree. It's green. After Christmas, I'll just put it outside. Yeah, I love the color of this. So we're gonna get a real Christmas tree, but it's a tradition here. Most of the time we get it the day before Christmas, but some people have fake trees in the house, because if you get a real Christmas tree very early, it's just gonna dry out. So some people, they have fake trees, but Jan and I, we wait for and do the real tradition and get the Christmas tree the day before. And these ones I have had for a long time. They look so beautiful in the night when you put lights in. I can't film in the night because I don't have that type of camera. It gets dark. And yes, more of these Christmas tree. I don't know what these are called, but you know, grains, they're the ones that grow on Christmas trees. I did not color these ones. They stayed in their normal brownish color. And the good thing about this, you can have them year after year. You just keep them, nothing ever happens. and I put some lights in that jar. It's standing in by the main entry, and we have a small tree outside with some lights on. And this is in the corridor. Is it corridor? In the hallway? Yes, in the hallway. And then more lights. These glass lights, I really love them. Yeah, this is how it looks when I turn off the lights. Looks very nice. I have many of these are all over the place, so very easy. And this is in the laundry area. I got these stars last year. I think I have 4 of them. So this is in the guest room. Just put that star and that's it. It lights beautiful outside. Laundry area, star. I put in this star also. Like I said, I have 4 of them, and I think I have one in the garage. We have a big window in the garage. I put the star so they can be seen from outside. Most people here, they are foreigners, and I think we have a lot of people who are not Christians probably, so there's not a lot of decor here in our area, but people in Denmark, they'll do a lot of decorations outside. Yes. And here is another jar. I found this. I just put in silver and some dark gray and some moss in the bottom again. Very simple. And this is how it looks like when you turn on the lights. Yes, this is for a lazy girl. If you're lazy that year and you don't have time, that's what you can do. Here is another jar with these dried plants I got. In the difference here, I put some lights in the bottom. Some sphagnum moss lights in the bottom. I've mixed in with some fresh plant and then some dried ones. Yes, very nice. I think if I wanted to be extravagant, I would just add on some lights, but I want to keep it easy. Yes. And here is I don't know what you call this. This I have had so long time. These kids, they're just standing there in front of that plant. Yes, and I have these ones. They're just candlelight holders. Just put in real candles, and they're sitting on the dining table. Yes, and more of these glass. I love these ones. I think we bought 2 more this year. They're very nice. Only I have to put in battery, and you already done your decoration. And this is in the window in the living room, and 2 more here. These are standing in these are in the area by the dining area, in that sitting window. So this was my decor, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got inspired, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Mwah.